Welcome to another episode of our 20 pregnant sows, or so to say 23 to 25 pregnant sows. We are now on day 7. Something unexpected happened on our farm. One of our pregnant sows gave birth earlier than expected. And this is very serious situation because in pig farming, premature birth is not just something you can ignore. We are documenting everything in real time, not just the good parts alone, but also our challenges. We are as well sharing our experience and challenges with you guys so that the new farmers can learn from our mistakes. So, what exactly happened is that one of the pregnant sows farrowed earlier than expected. And immediately, we had to start asking questions. Why did this happen? What caused it? And how can we prevent it? And one of the things we suspect is feed mixing, our feed formula, the mixture of the feed. Because feeding is one of the most sensitive parts of pig farming. Especially at this stage, we have so many pregnant sows at hand. If feed is not properly mixed, it can affect the health of the sow, automatically leading to the piglets' health as well. Because feeding is one of the most sensitive parts of pig farming. If feed is not properly mixed, it can affect the health of the sow, and that can lead to a serious issue like this, that a pig can give birth prematurely. This is why I always say feeding is not just about giving food, it is about control. Every ingredient matters, every measurement matters as well, and every mistake that you make in mixing has consequences. This situation is a reminder that farming must be taken seriously. This is about system failure, because when something like this happens, you don't just blame the moment. You review the system. You ask questions. Was the process correct? Was the supervision strong enough? And also, was the system being controlled? And honestly, we don't know how deep this poor feeding has gone into the other sows that has not given birth yet. This is the reality of farming. It is not always perfect. There will be challenges. There will also be unexpected situations. But what matters so much is how you will respond to those situations. That's why right now we are reviewing everything. Our mixing control, our feeding process, worker supervisions
013
as well. Because one mistake must not repeat itself. That is how serious farm grows. Not by avoiding problems, but by learning from your problems. So now, we are at day 7. We have seen what can go wrong, and this changes how we approach everything going forward. In this video, I will show you what we are doing differently now to prevent this from happening again. If you are serious about pig farming in Nigeria, you need to understand that challenges are part of the process. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn real farming, not just success stories. Also comment below, what do you think could cause premature births in pigs? This is Ugocentury. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next episode.